Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 1989 Porsche 944 Turbo, and this is by Hotwheels, and this comes under their Turbo series and specifically Magnus Walker's Urban Outlaw series. So let's open and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. This looks really beautiful. The paint job is matte blue. And you can see the interior here. The rims are really nice compared to the other Hot Wheels which we normally open. And this one has the rear view mirrors as well. So in most of the Hot Wheels basic cars you can't see these rear view mirrors, but this one has that one. And I personally love this. So that's it for today, guys. If you liked my video, hit a thumbs up. If you loved my video, subscribe. So it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.